Keeping the software of your Samsung Smart TV updated is essential to keep it running smoothly. I'm Prayank, you're watching Candid.Technology, and here's how to update your Samsung Smart TV quickly. To update your Samsung Smart TV, press the home button on your remote, then from the menu that appears, head to the left to Settings, click on Settings, then scroll down to Support, and then press the right navigation button to access Software Update option. Click on the Software Update option and then click on Update Now. Our TV is currently on 2503 version. It's checking for updates. And turns out there are no new updates right now, and we are on the latest version. So that's how you update your Samsung Smart TV. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a comment down below telling us what else can we help you with. If you'd like to read more about tech, head to our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.